Hi again. I'm back with another little tip. So springtime is upon us, and that is the busiest time for real estate. People are getting their income tax returns, or they want to be in their new house before the summer. Whatever the reason is, there's so many, and spring is very popular. So you are going to see a lot of open house signs, a lot. Like one of the agents in our office, she's hosting an open house from 10 to 4 starting today, every day until Sunday. And so I would just advise you to go inside and look at these homes. If you have like 15 minutes to spare and your early to your next appointment or whatever, stop by an open house. Take a look at the decor. You might get ideas for whenever you renovate your home, or if you like a neighborhood and that's your desired neighborhood, go and look at the open houses. There's going to be at least one or two in that neighborhood, and just pop in and see the builder design. See if you really like that neighborhood. I mean, drive around, and it's usually on the weekends or whatever. So take a look and see what your neighbors are going to be doing on the weekends. And if that's your vibe, it's better to do it now instead of like in 2-3 years whenever you're ready to buy a home, because then you're going to be put in a bind and then just kind of get whatever is available. So at least if you take this time to go and visit open houses and get ideas and this and that, then in 2 or 3, 4 years, whenever you're ready to buy, you'll be more prepared. And also, most of the realtors that host open houses, they bring along a lender, because a lot of people that come to the open house, they haven't even started their finance process. And so you'll meet a lender most likely, and you can ask them questions, bounce ideas off of them, that kind of thing. So I just fully condone going to open houses. Go to at least 1 or 2 every weekend if you know that at some point in the next 5 years, you're going to be buying a house. Okay, bye.